Hello, friends. Welcome to Talking Easy channel. I'm Ella, and I'm happy you're here today.
And I'm Alex. Hey, Ella, guess what I did this morning?
Let me think. Did you sleep until noon?
No, I woke up early and went to the grocery store. I know, shocking.
Wow, Alex, that is impressive. You're not usually a morning person.
I know, but I needed food. My fridge was completely empty, like totally empty.
Oh no, what happened? Did you forget to shop last week?
Exactly. I was so busy and suddenly it was Saturday morning and I had no breakfast.
That's actually perfect timing because today we're talking about weekend shopping in English.
Really? That's great. I can share what just happened to me.
Yes, we'll teach useful English phrases for shopping, simple words you can use at the supermarket, at clothing stores, anywhere.
And listeners, before we start, please subscribe to Talking Easy channel. We make English simple and fun.
Yes, please. And leave a comment telling us, what did you buy last weekend?
All right, Ella, let's start with the most important question. Why do we need English for shopping?
Great question. Well, shopping is something everyone does, right?
Right, we all need food, clothes, things for our home.
Exactly. And when you travel to English-speaking countries, or even in your own city, you might need to speak English at shops.
True, I've traveled to places where the shopkeeper only spoke English.
So, knowing simple shopping phrases makes life easier. You can ask questions, find what you need, and feel confident.
Okay, so where should we start?
Let's start with something everyone does, making a shopping list.
A shopping list. Yes, I should do this more often.
Do you usually make a list, Alex?
Sometimes, but honestly, I usually just go to the store and remember things when I see them.
That's dangerous. You might forget important things or buy too much.
True. So, how do we talk about making a list in English?
Simple. You say, I need to make a shopping list.
Let's practice. Everyone, repeat. I need to make a shopping list.
Good. Or you can say, I'm writing my shopping list.
What kinds of things go on the list?
Well, let's think about food first. What do you usually buy?
Milk, bread, eggs, cheese, fruit, vegetables.
Perfect. Those are basic items. We call them groceries.
Groceries.
That's a useful word. Yes, so you can say, I'm going to buy groceries, or I need groceries. Let's practice. I need groceries. Great. Now, here's a common problem. You're at home and you look in the fridge. It's empty. This happened to me today. So how do you say that? You say, we don't have any milk, or there's no bread. We don't have any milk. There's no bread. But there's another way, more natural. You can say, we're out of milk.
Oh, we're out of. That means finished, nothing left.
Exactly. We're out of bread. We're out of coffee.
Let's practice together. Repeat. We're out of milk.
Perfect. This is very common in everyday English.
Okay, so I make my list. I write milk, bread, eggs. What's next?
Next, you go to the store.
All right, I'm at the supermarket. What's the first thing I do?
Well, when you enter, you usually take a shopping cart or a basket.
What's the difference?
A cart is big. It has wheels. You push it. A basket is small. You carry it.
So if I'm buying a lot, I take a cart. If I'm buying a little, I take a basket.
Exactly. You can say, I'll get a cart, or I just need a basket.
Simple. Okay, I have my cart. Now I'm walking around the store.
Right. In a supermarket, there are aisles. Aisles are the long rows with shelves on both sides.
Like paths between the products?
Yes, exactly. Aisle 1, aisle 2, aisle 3.
So if someone asks me, where is the bread? They might say,
They might say, the bread is in aisle 5.
Got it. But Ella, what if I can't find something? What do I say?
Good question. You ask someone who works there. You say, excuse me, where is the milk?
Let's practice. Excuse me, where is the milk?
Perfect. Or you can say, where can I find the eggs?
That's polite. Where can I find the eggs?
Yes, and don't forget to say, please. Where can I find the eggs, please?
Much better. Always be polite.
The person will usually help you. They might say, it's in aisle 3, or follow me, I'll show you.
Nice. Okay, so I found everything on my list. Now what?
Now you go to the checkout.
The checkout is where you pay, right?
Correct. The checkout is the place with the cashier.
The cashier is the person who takes your money.
Yes, the person working at the checkout is the cashier.
What will the cashier say to me?
Usually something friendly like, hi, how are you? Or, did you find everything okay?
And I say,
Just, yes, thank you. Or, I'm good, thanks.
simple and polite.
Then they scan your items. That means they use a machine to read the prices.
And then they tell me how much money to pay?
Exactly. They'll say, that's $23.50. Or, your total is $23.50.
Let's practice. Your total is $23.50.
Good. Then you pay. You can say, I'll pay with card, or can I pay cash?
I'll pay with card. Can I pay cash?
Perfect. After you pay, the cashier might ask, do you need a bag?
And I say yes or no?
Exactly. Yes, please. Or, no thank you. I have my own bag.
This is all very practical.
It is. And always end with, thank you, or have a nice day.
Let's practice the whole conversation quickly. I'll be the cashier.
Okay.
Hi, did you find everything okay?
Yes, thank you.
Great. Your total is $30.
I'll pay with card.
Perfect. Do you need a bag?
No thank you.
Okay. Have a right day.
Thanks, you too.
See? Natural and easy.
Okay, Alex, we talked about grocery shopping. Now let's talk about clothes shopping.
Oh, this is interesting. I'm terrible at buying clothes.
Why?
I never know what size I am, and I don't like trying things on.
Well, today we'll learn the English to make it easier.
Perfect. So I walk into a clothing store. What happens?
Usually, someone who works there will come to you. They'll say, hi, can I help you?
What should I say?
If you want help, say, yes, I'm looking for a shirt, or whatever you need.
And if I don't want help?
Just say, no thanks, I'm just looking.
I'm just looking. That means I'm just walking around, not buying?
Exactly. Let's practice. I'm just looking. Thank you.
Easy. Okay, let's say I find a nice jacket. I want to try it.
You ask, can I try this on?
Can I try this on?
Yes. Try on means put it on your body to see if it fits.
Where do I try it on?
In the fitting room. That's a small room with a mirror where you can change clothes.
So I ask, where's the fitting room?
Perfect. They'll point and say, over there, or in the back.
Okay, I go to the fitting room. I try on the jacket, but oh no, it's too small?
Then you go back and say, this is too small. Do you have a bigger size?
Let's practice. Do you have a bigger size?
Good. Or you might say, do you have this in large? Or do you have this in medium?
What are the sizes in English?
Usually small, medium, large, and extra large.
Small, medium, large, extra large. Simple.
Sometimes you see S, M, L, XL on the labels.
Got it. What if the color is wrong? Maybe I want blue, but they only have red.
You ask, do you have this in blue? Or do you have other colors?
Let's practice. Do you have this in blue?
Perfect. Now, let's say the jacket fits well and you like the color. You want to buy it.
What do I say?
Simple. Just say, I'll take it. Or, I'll buy this.
I'll take it. So easy.
Yes. Then they'll take you to the register to pay.
The register is like the checkout at the supermarket?
Exactly the same. They'll tell you the price, you pay, and done.
What if I want to know the price before I buy?
Just ask, how much is this? Or what's the price?
Let's practice. How much is this?
And always add please to be polite.
How much is this, please?
Perfect. Okay, Alex, sometimes things go wrong when you shop. Let's talk about problems.
Good idea. What's a common problem?
Well, imagine you buy a shirt. You go home. You try it on again. It doesn't fit.
Oh no, what do I do?
You go back to the store. You need to return it.
Return means give it back?
Yes, you give the item back and get your money back.
What do I say?
You say, I'd like to return this, please.
Let's practice. I'd like to return this, please.
Good. They might ask, what's wrong with it?
And I say,
You can say, it doesn't fit, or it's too small, or I changed my mind.
I changed my mind means I decided I don't want it?
Exactly. Let's practice. It doesn't fit.
What if I don't want my money back? I just want a different size.
Then you want to exchange it. You say, can I exchange this for a larger size?
Exchange means swap, trade?
Yes. Let's practice. Can I exchange this for a larger size?
Useful. What about receipts? Do I need the receipt?
Yes. Always keep your receipt. That's the paper that shows you paid.
So when I return something, I bring the item and the receipt.
Exactly. They usually ask, do you have your receipt?
And I say, yes, here it is.
Perfect. What's another common problem?
Sometimes the store doesn't have what you want. Maybe it's sold out.
What does sold out mean?
It means they had it, but now it's all gone. People bought everything.
So, how do I ask if they'll get more? You say, when will you have more? Or, will you get more in stock?
Let's practice. When will you have more?
Good. They might say, tomorrow, or next week, or I don't know.
At least I asked. That's better than just giving up.
Exactly. Okay, Alex, let's review some really useful phrases for any shopping situation.
Good idea. What's the first one?
For asking location, where is or where can I find?
Example. Where is the milk? Or where can I find the bread?
Perfect. Next one. For asking about availability, that means, do you have this or not?
How do I ask?
You say, do you have, for example, do you have apples? Or do you have this in blue?
Let's practice. Do you have this in blue?
Good. Next, for asking about price, very important.
How much is this? Or what's the price?
Exactly. Always add please to be polite.
How much is this, please?
Perfect. Next one. For trying clothes.
Can I try this on?
Yes, and where's the fitting room?
Easy. What about when I want to buy something?
Just say, I'll take it, or I'll buy this.
Simple. And for problems?
I'd like to return this, or can I exchange this?
These are all so practical.
They are. And here's a bonus phrase. If you're with a friend and you want their opinion,
Yes? What do I say?
you say, what do you think? Or, does this look good?
Let's practice. What do you think?
And your friend might say, it looks great. Or, I like it. Or, maybe try a different color.
Friends are honest.
Before we finish, let's talk about some cultural things to know when shopping.
Oh, good idea. Different countries have different shopping customs.
Exactly. First, opening hours. In some countries, stores are open very late. In others, they close early.
So it's good to check. You can ask, "What time do you close?" Or, "Are you open on Sundays?"
Yes, let's practice. What time do you close?
Good. What about bargaining? Can I ask for a lower price?
It depends. In supermarkets and big stores, usually no. The price is fixed.
But in markets, like street markets?
In some countries, yes, you can ask, "Can you give me a discount?" Or, "Is this your best price?"
Interesting. What about being polite? What should I remember?
Always say, "Please," "Thank you," and "Excuse me." These 3 words are magic.
Please, thank you, excuse me. Simple, but powerful.
Yes, and one more thing. If you don't understand something, it's okay to ask.
What should I say?
Say, "Sorry, I don't understand. Can you repeat that?"
Let's practice. Sorry, I don't understand.
Or, "Can you speak slower, please?"
Can you speak slower, please?
People will usually be happy to help, especially if they see you're trying.
That's a good point. Don't be afraid to speak, even if your English isn't perfect.
Exactly. The more you practice, the better you get.
All right, Alex, we've covered a lot. Let's do a quick review.
Great idea. Let's go through the main phrases one more time.
For making a list,
I need to make a shopping list.
for saying something is finished,
We're out of milk.
for finding items in a store,
Where can I find the bread? Or, "Excuse me, where is the milk?
for asking about price,
How much is this, please?
for trying on clothes,
Can I try this on?
for asking about size,
Do you have this in large? Or, do you have a bigger size?
for buying something,
I'll take it.
for returns,
I'd like to return this, please.
for exchanges.
Can I exchange this for a different size?
Perfect review. Everyone, practice these phrases.
Okay, Alex, I think we've covered everything for basic shopping English.
We really did, from grocery shopping to clothing shopping, returns, and cultural tips.
The most important thing to remember is don't be afraid to speak.
Exactly. Even if you make mistakes, people will understand.
Shopping is perfect for practicing English because the phrases are simple and you use them over and over.
True. Every weekend, you can practice the same phrases and get better.
Here's your homework, everyone. This weekend, go shopping and use at least 3 English phrases we taught today.
It could be at a supermarket, a clothing store, anywhere.
Then come back and tell us in the comments, which phrases did you use?
We love hearing your stories. Did people understand you? How did it feel?
Remember, every time you speak English, you're making progress. Even one sentence counts.
Before we go, please subscribe to Talking Easy channel.
Yes, we make new videos every week with simple, useful English.
And leave a comment. Tell us, what's your favorite thing to shop for? Food? Clothes? Books?
We read every comment and we love connecting with you.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
Yes, thank you. We hope you feel more confident about shopping in English now.
Remember, keep it simple, be polite, and don't be afraid to try.
Happy shopping, everyone.
And happy learning.
See you next time on Talking Easy channel.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.